Hello everyone. Welcome back to English with Ease, the channel where learning English is simple and relaxing. I'm Leo.
And I'm Mia. Hello, everyone. It is so good to see you again.
Hi Mia. How are you doing today?
I am doing great, Leo. Thank you. I am feeling very happy today.
You are feeling happy? That is wonderful. Why are you happy?
Because the sun is shining and we are making a new video.
That is a great reason. And that is actually our topic for today.
Our topic? You mean feelings?
Exactly. Today we will talk about emotional expression. How to say how you feel.
Oh, this is very important. Sometimes people ask, "How are you?" And I only say, "I am fine."
I am fine. It is a good answer, but it is a little boring.
It is true. We have many feelings: happy, sad, angry, excited.
Yes. So today we will learn new words to express your true feelings. We will make it easy.
And we will make it fun. Are you ready, Leo?
I am ready. Let's start. Okay. Let's start with the best feeling. Happiness.
I love happiness.
Mia, imagine you have good news. Maybe you passed a test. How do you feel?
I feel happy. Of course.
Yes. But what if you are very happy? Keep happy, but make it stronger.
I can say, I am excited.
Excited. That is a great word. I am excited. Perfect. Or, I am excited about my vacation.
Oh, vacation. I love vacations. What is another word for happy?
How about glad? Glad.
Glad. That is a nice short word. I am glad.
Yes. We use it often. For example, I am glad to see you.
Ah, I hear that a lot. I am glad you are here.
Exactly. It means I am happy you are here. It is very polite.
Okay. So we have happy, excited, and glad.
One more?
Yes, please. One more big word.
Thrilled.
Thrilled. That sounds strong.
It is very strong. It means very, very excited. Imagine calmness winning the lottery.
Wow. If I win money, I am definitely thrilled.
Or if you get a new job. I got the job. I am thrilled.
I like that word. Thrilled. It feels full of energy.
Okay. Now, we must talk about the opposite. Not every day is a sunny day.
That is true. Sometimes we have bad days.
Right. Imagine you lost your wallet. Or it is raining all day. How do you feel?
I feel sad.
Sad. S-A-D. It is the most common word.
Yes, I am sad. But can we say something else?
Yes. If you feel a little bit sad, maybe just a little low energy, you can say, I feel down.
I feel down. Like down on the ground?
Not on the ground. Just your mood is low. I feel down today.
I see. Like it is raining, I feel a bit down.
Exactly. It is a very natural roadmap.
Okay. What if something bad happens? Like I dropped my ice cream.
Oh no, your ice cream. In that case, you are upset.
Upset. UPSET.
Right. Upset means you are unhappy or disappointed.
I lost my keys. I am so upset.
Perfect example. Upset is very useful. It is not crying, but it is not happy.
Okay. So we have sad, feeling down, and upset.
You are learning fast, Mia. Now, let's turn up the heat. What if someone is rude to you?
Ooh. Then I am not sad. I am angry.
Angry. Yes. That is the strong word.
Sometimes I say mad. Is that okay?
Yes, mad is very common in American English. I am mad at you.
I am mad because you ate my pizza.
Did I eat your pizza?
No, just an example.
Laughs, okay, good. So, angry and mad. But what if it is a small thing? Like a fly buzzing around your head. ZZZZZ.
That is not anger. That is simply annoying.
Yes. So you can say, I am annoyed.
I am annoyed. Okay. So it is small anger.
Exactly. Traffic is annoying. So, I am annoyed by the traffic.
Or, my neighbor is loud. I am annoyed.
Perfect. And if you are very angry? Like 100% angry?
Is there a word for that?
Yes. Furious.
Furious. Wow. That sounds intense.
It is like fire. My car was stolen. I am furious.
I hope that never happens. But I like the word. Furious.
Okay, Mia. Next emotion. Imagine you have to speak in front of 100 people only. Or take a big test.
Oh, my hands shake. My heart beats fast.
Yes. How do you feel?
I feel nervous.
Nervous. Nervous. This is a very common feeling.
I have a job interview. I am nervous.
That is the perfect sentence. Everyone gets nervous.
What about scared?
Scared is for dangerous things. Or ghosts.
Or big spiders?
Yes. Big spiders are scary. So you say, I am scared of spiders.
I am scared of the dark.
Good. So nervous is for stress, like a test. Scared is for fear, like a spider.
Is there a word for worry?
Yes. You can say, I am worried.
Worried.
This means you are thinking about a problem. My mom is sick. I am worried.
That is a sad feeling, but very important to say.
Yes. If you tell your friend I am worried, they can help you. Okay, last group. This is for the end of the day. After work. After school.
When I want to sleep.
Yes. You can say I am tired.
I am tired. I say this every day.
Me too. But what if you worked for 12 hours? You are very tired.
Can I say? Exhausted.
Yes. Exhausted. exhausted.
It means zero energy?
Zero energy. I ran a marathon. I am exhausted.
I studied all night. I am exhausted.
Perfect. And do you know the word stressed?
Stressed. Yes. When I have too much work.
Exactly. I am busy. I am stressed.
I have 3 tests tomorrow. I am so stressed.
Poor Mia. That sounds terrible.
Don't worry, Leo. It is just an example.
I am glad. So, we have tired, exhausted, and stressed.
Wow, Leo. We learned so many words today.
We did. It is a big list. Let's review them quickly.
Okay. For happy, we have happy, excited, glad, thrilled.
Very good. For sad, we have sad, feeling down, upset.
For angry, we have angry, mad, annoyed, furious.
For fear, we have nervous, scared, worried.
And for tired, we have tired, exhausted, stressed.
That is a fantastic vocabulary list. You don't need to use all of them today.
Right. Just pick 1 or 2. Start slowly.
Step by step. That is the best way to learn English. Well, Mia, how do you feel now?
Mia. I feel accomplished. And I feel grateful for our listeners.
Grateful. That is a beautiful word. It means thankful.
Yes. Thank you for watching our video today.
We hope this video helps you express your true feelings. English is for connecting with people.
Exactly. Don't be a robot. Be you.
Before we go, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes. If you liked this video, please click the like button. It helps us a lot.
And subscribe to English with Ease for more fun lessons.
And now, question of the day.
We want to know about you. Go to the comments below.
Tell us, how are you feeling right now?
Are you happy? Are you tired? Are you excited?
Or maybe you are hungry? Is that a feeling?
Being hungry is definitely a feeling. Write one sentence in the comments. I am feeling.
We will read your comments. We love reading them.
Thank you, everyone. Keep practicing.
See you next time. Bye.
Goodbye.